Good afternoon, everybody. Good morning. Good afternoon. Look at me. Good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday, July 18th. Reason I hopped on a little early, it looks like it's getting into our zone already. I'm looking for a sell-off at this area, and it is getting into that zone now. Now, we could see it blow way past this at some point. We have to be mindful for that. But this is what I'm seeing right here. Hold on, let me set my limit because it's getting there already. 1 second. How far away are we? About 12 pips away. Let's see here. About 12 pips away. Let's see if we can get there. 626. And stop loss is going to be about 40 pips, 40 to 45 pips. And we shall see what happens. It could push up though, so I just want to show you guys. What is it? 30-minute. So the risk here is that we just have a continuation up, right? That's the ultimate risk right now. So that's kind of where I'm stuck at with this one. Is we could just be seeing this as a continuation up, but we had some news today that wasn't as great. So we're gonna see if maybe we have something else. See what happens. All right, it looks like it's headed up there. This is a risky trade, but I'll give you my confirmations right now why I want to take this trade. Oh, it's already fallen. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Hold on a second. What's it reacting to? Man, look at that fall off. It was like 579, 11 pips away. But you see the crossover starting to happen here in 1 minute. But what I do like is the 5-minute EMA coming through. So we'll see what price gives us at these levels. And the goal is the 40 pip stop loss. Hopefully we can take it back down to these levels down here. All right, and I'm gonna delete this out of here. Hopefully we can see it come down to these levels here. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see right now. Okay. Let's see what happens right here. Right now, what I'm looking at. So with the news right now, we have core retail sales. Let me just bring it over here. We have core retail sales and retail sales. Right, they're expecting 0.2% or 0.4%. Got 0.2 month over month. Retail sales expecting 0.5%, 0.2%. Then we have industrial production coming in right now in a minute. So let's see what happens. It's already falling though, so not too sure how to take this. I don't want to enter right here because we can see that there's a clear support level right here. And yeah, even though it's just too close, right? Like the stop loss from here would have to be technically, it's not that bad still, but yeah, you can kind of see what it's doing right now. Damn. It's right on this key level right here as well. Damn, pretty crazy, bird. Damn, and it's still falling. So we got the news coming out right now, 15 seconds. Let's see what it gives us right here. Go time. Still pending. Sorry, don't get in the trade right here. I'm trying to get in the trade right here. Barely missed it, but we're about 19 pips away, so let's see what the industrial production month over month is. Ooh, negative 0.5%. So I think we should still see it coming down. I just added a little sell right now, smaller one. And then if it does make it back up here, we'll go ahead and put a bigger sell in. Mm. I mean, I hope we see a little bit of a retrace so we can get back in the trade where we want to. Damn, there wasn't a lot of movement. I mean, I was expecting a little bit more movement for that folder, but guess not. Hmm. So the news was pretty bad today overall in terms of like the numbers they were expecting and what they received. So let's see what happens. Just that. Oh, okay. That's good. Damn, it's really not moving. I do have a small point, $3 a pip right here. If it does come up to this level, I'm gonna get into $7 a pip up top. So we'll see what it gives us. Touch that either. So on this position here, I'm risking about 200 bucks, give or take. A little bit less than 200 bucks on the .03. See what happens here. Damn. Hmm. Hmm. 1 minute's been sitting here. Uh-oh. It might be coming down from here, but we can see this line right here. I have it here for a reason. We'll see if it either respects it, rejects it, or breaks through it. So and I'm gonna be doing an FTMO account pretty soon. So that should be coming in pretty soon. The FTMO account. We'll see how we're able to, basically, I haven't been able to succeed at the FTMO account. Um, I haven't been able to succeed at these funded challenges for some reason. I just want to go fucking $100 a pip. I mean, I know what reason. If I get a 200K account, I'm expecting to go $100 a pip, but I've learned the hard way that that's really not possible in terms of what you have. You don't really have a 200K account. You have about $20,000 to play with, which you can do $100 a pip, but it's not smart in terms of just the overall thinking long term. So for me, this time around, I think I'm gonna try to stick around $30 to $40 a pip, which is more than what I'm doing here. And now right now I do about $5 to $15 max a pip. So sometimes 20, I don't even notice it, but it's kind of just throwing in with the winning trade. But yeah, if I figure if I can get to $30 to $40 a pip on every trade, and that's a lot of money. So you figure 100 pips times 30 bucks. That's 3 racks right there. Which, man, you have 252 of those, you're at half a milli. So yeah, I'm just gonna start to make moves that way. Maybe risk 5%, 200K, about 10 grand. Could probably actually do more, but we'll see. We'll see how it plays out. I'm gonna start doing that pretty soon though. I think I'm gonna buy the account today and just focus on that for the next couple days and try to pass that. So we'll see how it plays out. I ain't gonna lie, I wasn't really expecting this. I kind of don't like the way it's moving right now, right? But I would have preferred to see this just come up here and fall. Because now, like, let's see the 15 minute. 15 minutes still looks good. So this is one of those trick shot type of thing. Not trick shot, but you can see how these highs here were broken, right, with these highs. So then you could probably expect buyers to come in and buy here for price to continue to push up. But this is around 3 a.m. Not a lot of activity going on at 3 a.m., right? So sellers came in hot and not hot, but sellers came in and over, 4 hour period came down and dropped. 3 hour period came down and price broke the structure by breaking these lows. Now it's the same thing that happened here, right? Where price broke these lows. But you can see I got stubborn here. We had 245 to 630. We had 4 hours of this small support level being built. 4 hours of that. Right? Boom. That should have been key for me to go ahead and get out while in profit. Like I should have just gotten out of the trade and made a little bit more money, but I didn't. Okay, now it's starting to come back up. So it's the same type of deal here, but we're not seeing that much build up right here, right? So what I'm expecting and hoping is that we see it come up, get into our area, hit our sell limit, and then fall off. So we'll see if that allows us to do that. And this cat cries like crazy, man. Jesus. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see what happens here. And you can see it's kind of perfect timing. So the one thing that I notice when it comes to these order blocks, this order candle right here, right, is if price does break through, right, most of the time what it'll do is it'll come back and use it as support before making its return up, right? So if this happens, we could go ahead and get out of the trade. And sometimes it goes against me, sometimes I just take unnecessary losses, but the name of the game is preserving your capital, right? So if we see this happen, then we'll go ahead and get out the trade, right? But what we want to see happen is we want to see it come up to our area here, the EMA, and we want to see it fall, right? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 confirmations to take this trade. So I'm going to take it, even though we're in a bull trend. And that's the other thing, we got to understand that this is still pretty bullish right now. So this would just be a counter trend trade, right? So maybe we, instead of 132, we can expect maybe around these highs right here, right? Boom. So let's see, right around there, around 95 pips. So 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, and see what happens. $6.25, so it is getting pretty close to that time. Let's see here. All right, it's getting there now. Perfect. 627 is coming up right now. Let's see what happens. You tried everything to do what you want to do. Damn, it's still falling. What the fuck? I don't know if I should hop in right now. Same area. I let you know. Damn. That shit missed my shit again by like, I swear, like 6 pips, dude. Ah, man. I think I mean, I have my limit up there, but I don't want to get in now and then we see a big pump up at the market. And then we have, these 0.03s down here because now it definitely fucks up the risk to reward ratio. If I put in another 0.03 and then it pushes up and then hits my sell limit, you know. All right, we got a minute and a half till open. Let's see here. What you want to do for you? Tried it, but you don't give up. All right, T minus 35 seconds. See what's happening. Oh shit, it's falling. I mean, I'm already in. I'm up a couple pips now in that position. How many pips? I'm up 2 pips, so on that position. But damn, I was hoping it would. 6:30 is coming in hot right now, so let's see what happens. Damn. All right, I just added a sell right now. All right, this is gonna be key right here, right? Oh, you know what I'm spotting right here? Right here at this level. Don't do it to me. I'm up 7 pips. No, not anymore. Let's see. Come on, just fall now at this point. Buyers are trying to come in. It's risky. It's risky. Let's see if it falls or not. Okay, let's go. Got to a key area right here. Let's see right here at this little line. We know that this area is support. Oh no. Damn. Hold on a second. One of the best things you could do. Shit. I traveled up quick. Motherfucker. That didn't look good. Is it at? Oh, look at where it's at. Pretty damn close to the 61%. I really don't like that. But let's see what happens. Man, that's a huge engulfing candle right there. Huge. If it stays engulfed like that, I'll probably just exit the trade. So let me show you the engulfing candle. Yeah, that's not it, son. I think I'm gonna get out the trade now. That's a little too much for me. A little too much power. Now I'm a little too heavy in the trades right now too. Let's see. I just added some more. We'll see what happens here. Still rejecting, so let's see what happens here. Mm. Oh yeah, it looks to be getting out of here. I think I just gotta take this out right here, dog. I mean, still hasn't broken it, but hmm. I mean, it's still respecting it. Fuck it. All right, let's see. Damn, it might be out of here. Shit. Yeah, I think I just gotta call it at this point, man. Damn. Well, it already hit my stop losses, so that's that. I hit one. All right, took a $300 out today. 375. Damn, and Nas did exactly what I wanted it to do. Nas did what I was hoping US30 would do. Same setup, same everything. That's crazy. Can't do much about that, brother. 375. Hmm. Okay. 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 Be like that sometimes though. So that shit broke above, right? Stopped us out here. Nas did exactly what we wanted it to do, which is use the EMA and fall off. You can see right here too. Look at it. That's just boom. ILC from here, fall off. US30 had similar, right? Because we had this ILC right here before, and yeah, it was pretty damn similar. We just didn't see we just didn't see the same respect. So I don't know what it was between the Nasdaq and the US30. I don't know the difference in what happened, but we could see obviously two completely different sides of the spectrum right here. So fuck it, it is what it is. Win some, you lose some. Fuck it. Damn, look at this thing. Pretty damn nice. Damn, I hate when I do that. This is doing basically what I would want it to do. You know what? Broke this low, came up. Let me see something real quick. That's a 15-minute. Yeah, see, I just didn't see as many confirmations here, but on the, I guess I do see it now, but even then, still didn't reach the the ILC up here. Yeah, I probably wouldn't have. I just wouldn't have taken this trade. Well, I mean, I would have rather taken US30 because I've seen things that were rejected up top here, right? So I understand where I messed up, but this is a good loss for me. I'll take this loss any day of the week. This had more confirmations than the NASDAQ did, but it didn't do what we wanted it to do, right? So I remember telling you guys how once it breaks above the IOC, sometimes it gives you that reasoning to say, okay, boom, boom. Hold on a second. So I see what price did, and I'm not mad at the sale that I took. I'm not, just because of the simple fact that I had the confirmations there. It was a bull trend, it was a counter trend, but what I liked was the simple fact that these lows broke this low. Same thing, but we also had ILCs with this key level, right? Resistance level. So I knew that this was going to be a good trade, but overall, this was the trade to take. Not too bad though, not too bad. So I'm gonna leave it at that. I mean, we'll probably put a buy in right here, maybe, but I wouldn't touch it. At this point, looks pretty damn bearish right here. 230. Sure, there isn't even a 30-minute ILC. Nope. There's a 15-minute, but you won't do for the Friday. Boom. It's right there in the golden zone. I'm gonna put a buy in this bitch. Wait for it to get a little lower. See if we can get in right here. You know what? I'm in. I'm in the trade now. Might not hit, right? Could see some bearish momentum here on the stock charts that we're not seeing on US30. But we're in this bitch. We're in right here. And then the goal is to take this to the upside. We're still overall, see, we're kind of in this zone now, right? So let's see what happens. There's an IOC right here that we have to check, right? With the EMA, same difference. Body. Right? So we got this ILC on the 1 minute with the 1 minute 50 EMA and the 1 minute 20 EMA already being respected, right? So let's see what happens. See how that EMA, we got the rejection with the IOC and the EMA. We just got to be careful of that. Damn. The moment of truth is right here, right? Because we know that this area is clearly support and resistance, right? Now I could come back down here and retest this level, and I could just be wrong on wrong on wrong, so you got to be mindful of that. And you can see there's 1 minute left, and look at how bearish this thing is finishing, right? But I guess it has. I think. Right there. So yeah, it hasn't really touched this zone yet, but we'll see right now what it does. See that? ILC, EMA. Let's see what NAS is doing in US30. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. Oh, this thing is falling. Let's see if it respects the same 61%. You can see it right here. Here's the 61. But the ILC is right here, so let's see. Okay. Let's see. Damn. Yeah, that's not gonna do it right there. We need this thing to fill up right here. Boom. We tried everything, but you don't. Come on, dude. Damn. In my world. No. Mm, mm. shooting the fuck up. Bam! Damn, damn, damn. Well,